This is a quick UGG update video on my boots I did 1 year ago. I'm going to show you how the rhinestones came off and how I repaired them.
Hey YouTube! So I wanted to do an update video on my Uggs. I did these last winter. I forgot the name of the style of these. I'll put it in the description. But these are the ones, you know, that have the little clear and then it has the cute little fur on the inside. They're like the fuchsia color. Super cute, very comfortable. And we all know the Uggs are very, very warm. So I just wanted to add on some rhinestones to the back. Let me show you what happened. So I felt like it was important to let you guys see this. I started one shoe with liquid fusion, which I don't use liquid fusion on shoes. I did the other shoe with E6000, which usually is a lot more durable. But with this material, you have to be careful with that really smooth material, because look what happened. Look what happened to all my hard-earned work. So I'm thinking that maybe either scrape this with a little bit of sandpaper or something, or try a different glue. I'm going to try a different glue. I'm not going to just peel this off. I'm going to just put some glue in here, hold it on, and then we'll see what happens. The same thing happened to this shoe. You can see right there. Very annoying. And then it's holding up pretty well over here. Oh, not really. So I'm going to start with the first shoe and add some of this MAXI Cure. This is my new little favorite glue because it has like a really nice strong hold. It's about $12 or $13 on Amazon. I'll have a link available. So I'm going to go ahead and just start to add some of this. I'm trying to think, am I going to pull the whole thing off? I don't really want to. Well, yeah, it's pretty much off anyway. So I'm going to take some alcohol and just kind of wipe in there and add the glue, because I want to wear these really soon, like today. So we're just going to wipe it. Okay, now we're going to take the glue, let that hang down like that. Maybe I'll glue it on this area here. Yeah, I'll do that. So I'll just start to glue it here. Go ahead and just kind of press this on here and hold it, because this glue is a 30-second hold. Okay, so I glued it on with the camera cut off for some reason, but when I put the glue on that back piece, I guess because there's still spaces in between each rhinestone, my hand began to stick to the boot. Now, one thing about this glue, it works really good, but if you get a pinch of it on top of your rhinestones, it's a cloudy mess. So some of these are clouded. Clouded. And there's not much I can do about that. That's the only thing about it. But it's locked on here pretty good. And I'll have to keep track of that. So I'm going to do the second shoe. So this one is coming off pretty bad as well. But instead of adding the glue to this area, instead of pouring the glue on here, I'm going to actually just put it on the boot. So I'm going to wipe this off with a little alcohol. Clean that area off.
Okay, so this is my UGG update video. I did add this MAXI Cure glue to the rhinestones, and this was about 4 or 5 days ago. And I did go ahead and let them sit and dry, and the rhinestones have been still going on strong. They have not peeled back off. So far this glue is really holding it down for me. And I'm happy about that, because the rhinestones coming off just wasn't a good look. So thanks you guys for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and subscribe to this channel if you'd like to. If not, thank you so much for stopping by. Our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. You can follow me on Instagram at lifeisawholevibe with underscores in between each word. Thanks again. Bye-bye.